How to fix unable to authorize TikTok. Please try again on your iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll help you guys fix your TikTok login problem. So let us get started. First thing you'll want to do is make sure that you have really strong Wi-Fi connection. So you can simply go to your Wi-Fi settings and set up your Wi-Fi again. You can try to forget the Wi-Fi and rejoin and try to log in with your TikTok. Now, if that does not fix your problem, what you can do is long press on TikTok and you'll see clear cache option. Clear your cache and try again. Now, if that does not fix your problem again, simply go to your settings, go to your general, go to iPhone storage, and then find TikTok. Now, after you find your TikTok, open it up and offload the app. After you offload the app, you can reinstall it. Now, if reinstalling it does not help you fix the problem, delete the app completely and reinstall it. And that should basically fix your problem. And if that does not fix your problem again, you can go to your TikTok, go to your app store, search for TikTok, and check if there is an update available. Now, after you see an update, just tap on update and update your TikTok, and doing all of these process will help you fix the problem and you can use TikTok again. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.